Yeah. So one of our, away game rituals is head to Wegmans. It's always our go-to. One of our local grocery stores love Wegmans, and for tailgating, for home games, we're here. Yeah, we like to get a homemade pizza. We do a homemade pizza every away game. So we're really excited to show you guys kind of how we do it. Feeling like fall out here in Buffalo. We're at Wegmans again, getting some tailgating food for this week against the Chiefs. Like we said, we're gonna do some chicken wing dip. So, woo, let's do it. Come on. Really good, fresh ingredients they use. I've had these many times. I love them. Yeah, so we'll get a nice thing of dough. We're gonna go white, not wheat. We're not healthy people. Delicious. Now we're gonna get the plain because we're gonna do a little bit of seasoning ourselves. But we always recommend go with the rotisserie chicken. It's already cooked. It shreds real nice. It's great for a chicken wing dip. So that's where we'll go. But this one seems a little light, so let's get something a little bit bigger. Now that's the one. And you gotta go Rudy's blue cheese. It's the best. It's not a true chicken wing dip if you don't have Rudy's. Probably gonna go for the whole milk mozzarella. We don't want part skim. We're not healthy people, like I said earlier. I think that's the winner. Yeah, so we're gonna make our own sauce. Like I said, I don't usually go for like the pre-packaged stuff. Get some puree, Wegmans brand, and some tomato paste. And put that together with one of our special spices and seasonings, and have a great pizza. And normally I'll go a little, we'll do more of like a Frank's hot, but I'm gonna go the Mafia sauce. Josh Allen on the front, you can't beat it. Let's do it. Now, not everyone puts in cream cheese, but that's how I make it, so that's how we're gonna do it. All right, so we got all our ingredients. Chicken wing dip. We got some good old rotisserie chicken, some cream cheese, Josh Allen hot sauce, and of course Rudy's. Last ingredient that we need, some cheddar. This will do. Well, a nice easy now trip to Wegmans. Got all the necessities, and I got myself a little gift, little Josh Allen Bill beer koozie. All right, let's go home and cook it up. Let's go make this pizza. We got home from Wegmans. The dough is in there still, so that's good. But the directions say to let it sit and get up to room temperature for 1 to 2 hours in a oiled bowl, which we got right here. So let that sit. And then it'll be time to put this baby together and put it in the oven. So we're really excited. Can't wait for how it's gonna turn out. And now it's time to start making the chicken wing dip. We got the old Josh Allen wing hot sauce. We got our Rudy's blue cheese. We got our cream cheese. And I guess it is chicken wing dip, so we're gonna go with the best, or the most important ingredient. That's gonna be chicken. Got a nice rotisserie chicken here from Wegmans, and you're just gonna want to start shredding it out. So we're just gonna take the skin away, and we're just gonna start pulling it and get that nice and inside the bowl there. All right, got your green cheese, and you just throw that in there, and then we will probably wash our hands. But it calls normally for about a cup or so of blue cheese, or a half cup of blue cheese crumbles, and some ranch. But we're going Rudy's because we're in Buffalo. That's the only way to eat your wings. Like I said, I normally go a little Frank's. I might even add a little Frank's to this, but I figured why not? For the Bills tailgate, you gotta go the old Josh Allen hurdling over defenders, so that's where we go. And put that back down, we'll just toss it in there. And then what I like to do to get mine started is I like to take a fork and I'll start really getting that in, mixing it together, and then I'll take a spoon and really start mixing it together. But this kind of breaks the chicken into the cream cheese and stuff like that. And yeah, just keep moving here. All right, the dough is reaching room temperature as we speak. Almost time for pizza. We got our sauce on low, and we like to put our own special little seasonings in there. And we'll just Yeah, the dough's ready to go. It's been sitting in the bowl, the oiled bowl, for about 2 hours now. Gonna make a little flour bed here and roll the dough out and do a nice pizza pie. We weren't lying when we're doing a buffalo style here. Sauce right up to the crust there. So yeah, my favorite part of making the pizza is the cheese. We got a bunch of cheese here. Just gonna gradually just kind of spread it through. Yeah, he likes cheese too, right, buddy? Now we got pepperonis. I usually do it regular. After this cheddar, yeah, just gonna put it in your pan. Oh yeah, it looks nice and good. And then it calls for about a half a cut normally for, you know, what you like, but I'm thinking a fistful of cheese is where we want to be. And we just kind of sprinkle it around, maybe a little bit more, and then we're good to go. Just like that, you got chicken wing dip. So now you're gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Usually do about 10-minute increments to see how she's going. And then, yeah, she's already fully cooked. Technically, the chicken's cooked, so you don't have to worry about any of that. But you obviously want that to all come together. So yeah, we'll see how she goes. Wegmans has great ingredients that they're using their dough, and very simple, but great. And yeah, we love it. Yeah, I didn't really get that dirty. My jersey's still pretty clean. Sauce pans. Throw this on, I believe it's 350 for like 25-30 minutes, and we'll have a pie. All right, about 25 minutes, we'll be eating good. Ooh, that looks delicious. A little hot, so we'll wait a minute, let it cool. That's really good.
Now that's an all-American slice right there, baby.
A little bit of blue cheese for you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Don't mind my food, Stevie.
Let's give her a try.
All right, Portnoy, what do you think about that? Zero flop, buddy.
I got some flop.
Well, Steve's always been a little floppy, but check it.
Cheers. That's pretty solid.
That's good toast pizza.
That's really good.
I don't think we're getting better at this.
Yep.
A little bit of sweet sauce. That's one other thing you can get in the Buffalo area is distinctly unique sweet sauce they put on their pizzas. More of a Northtowns thing, Lockport area, right?
Fantastic sauce. Consistency from the Wegmans make it yourself dough, like or make it yourself pizza. It's so good. Everything cooked through evenly.
Nothing better for game day. When
Yeah.
you can't go watch the Bills in their home stadium, you gotta be home, comfortable, enjoying the game atmosphere. Nothing better than a homemade pizza.
Yeah. Traditional pepperoni, delicious. Nice and greasy.
Actually, it's not too bad.
Fantastic. All right, we're ready for the game, baby. Go Bills!
Go Bills! That's really good. Fantastic. Definitely going to be a favorite of your next tailgate. Real simple to make too, as you just saw. Look at that. It's really hot, but you know. Go Bills!